Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to discuss something we all encounter at some point in life: relationship. When we talk about relationship, we often hear about red flags and green flags. Red flags are warning signs, while green flags are indicators of a healthy relationship. But there's another question we need to ask ourselves: do standards in love matter? When it comes to love, setting personal standards is essential. But what exactly do these standards mean, and why are they so important? Standards in love is essentially the expectation we set of ourselves and our partners. They reflect what we value and what we believe we deserve in a relationship. Setting high standard is not about being picky or demanding perfection. It's about recognizing your worth and creating a relationship that aligns with your values. For example, a standard might be expecting your partner to treat you with kindness and respect. On the other hand, red flags are signs that something in the relationship is not right. The dishonesty or disregard of your needs. By setting clear standards, we're able to identify these red flags early and protect our emotional well-being. Why do these standards matter? Because they guide us in making healthy decisions and avoiding toxic relationships. If we don't set boundaries, we may find ourselves in a situation when our needs are overlooked or our values are compromised. If we stay in the relationship, it damages our self-esteem and happiness. Standards serve as a defense mechanism against such toxicity and keep us aligned with what truly matters to us. Furthermore, standards don't help us avoid red flags. They also attract more green flags. When we establish what we want and need in a partner, we are more likely to attract someone who share those values. A partner who treats us with respect, listen to us, and support our personal growth is a green flag that shows that healthy relationship is healthy and that has the potential to last. Standards in love do matter more than we often realize. They help us protect ourselves from unhealthy relationships while allowing us to embrace those that promote growth and happiness. By setting personal standards, we ensure that we don't settle for less than we deserve. Remember, love isn't settling, it's about finding someone who complements and uplifts you. So next time you're in a relationship or thinking about entering one, ask yourself, are my standards clear? Are they non-negotiable? Red and green flags will always appear, but your standards will navigate them with confidence. Thank you.